Welcome, everybody. This is the weekly agenda for 9/8 for Biblical Traditions. So last week we finished the entire salvation history. We went through the entire Bible from Genesis to the book of Revelation. And this week what we're going to do is we're going to turn that into a diagram. So we put the entire Bible in a single diagram, emphasizing the central role of Jesus in the history of the Bible. We will have one quiz this week, which will be on either Wednesday or Thursday, depending on what day that you have blocked schedule. I explained the quiz entirely last week, but if you have any questions, let me know, and we will get that completed. And then next week, we'll have the Biblical Worldview quiz, which will be the last quiz for this unit, and we'll start looking at biblical traditions in particular. We'll do some deeper dives into the Bible. So that's everything. It's a short week, and I look forward to seeing you all. Have a great day.